Hurricane season, so you know what that means. We got the daily, on the daily, on the daily over there. We ain't got no power, but the grind don't stop. We got them generators generating. Follow me inside. So right in front of us, we have a C8 Corvette. Paint correction, it's about to get clean, you know what I'm saying? We taped off all the extra bits that we don't want to get any polish or anything onto. This one's getting ceramic coating too, so paint correction, ceramic coat. But yeah, we try to do a good job at masking off and making sure we don't get coating or anything, you know, where they're not supposed to be. And over here throwing down on this lift without a lift. So let's go see what he's doing. Excuse me, sir. What you got to say about today?
It's hot, bro. God damn.
Yeah, it's about 100 degrees in the shop. Something slight. Really, it's like 120. But yeah, going over here now. Got a full wrap chrome delete Yukon yet again. That's that Tahoe. I'm not too sure, but my guess is a chrome delete, so that's coming as well. Now we got Big Boss Man's RS6. You know, I did the wonderful job of taking the bumper off myself. We got Carlos, the main man to the plan, taking off all the adhesive and silicone that was on the splitter previously. We got door handles off. I'm working on this door panel right now as we speak. And we got Monkey Boy doing the door handles. Anything to say? What?
So we got the door handle off. There's a reason why I put a tape here, because this latch on the inside, if you're not careful, it'll slide all the way out and you'll have a tough time trying to put it back in. So I put the tape so it doesn't slide, tape for the plugs so they don't fall in. And then we have the mirrors next to take off. And also the tail lights come off, the rear bumper comes off, so we get better coverage for the colored PPF. And now we got Trent over here with the door panel. He'll show you how to take the door panel off. It's a little bit tricky. Anything to say?
Now go home. I mean, I don't need to go home. Yeah, I love work. Work is the best. That's right. Ain't that right, boss man?
What?
Ain't that right, boss man?
What?
Say yeah.
I love work? Yeah, sure. You guys haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back. And I haven't been anywhere, we've just been busy. Trent's a better face on YouTube anyways. Everyone likes him more. Just a jolly good fellow, you know. But we got a bunch of stuff going on this week. It's been kind of crazy. We just got power back Friday and lost it again Friday. And then, yeah, so we're back now in full effect. We got a bunch of stuff going on, a bunch of GM vehicles everywhere. My car's back there in the corner, black and white, I hope. But yeah, my car's finally getting done. Should be done this week, as long as we have the time. We got a Dodge Demon here that we've had here for a little bit. Unfortunately, whenever we went to get the PPF done, July 4th weekend, and then right after that, Hurricane Beryl kind of barreled through us. But yeah, that one's done. That one should be leaving today. We have a Yukon here getting a leveling kit. We haven't done a leveling kit on a Yukon in a long time. But yeah, that one's gonna get done. We have a single cab Sierra here getting reverse level, some color matching. I think that's it. Just color matching, color match bumpers, and a reverse level. We also have a white Tahoe from our buddies over at Parkway. That one's getting a top half wrap, powder coated wheels, chrome delete, kind of the usual. We just finished this one, put some 17x9 fuel Rebels on here, along with Nitto Recons, 315 7017s on the stock height. We have to do a little bit of trimming on the mud flaps and the little bottom plastics, but other than that, they fit pretty well. But yeah, we'll see how this week goes and keep you updated as we go.
So, right now we have Boss Man's car. You can't see the color yet, or maybe as you can see, it looks very pretty. Very pretty. This ain't wrap, this is PPF. Colored PPF. Might be the new move. Right here we got this BMW i8. Hey, look, it's Boss Man.
It was taking apart on Friday. Over there.
Majestic. Anyway, so we got this i8. You see we did a bumper delete, all right? Mainly because the bumper needed to be fixed, but as you can see, we're in the process of doing that. We got this good old top half done. And like I said, we knock them out of the park. Look at it, it's flawless. Flawless. How you feeling today, buddy?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
No witty comment, no nothing?
No exhaust yet.
Yeah, he doesn't have his S3 exhaust, I think, or A3, whatever. Why you following me like that? Okay, all right. See, we have this beautiful machine right here. Absolutely beautiful. I believe this one was a wash. Okay, yeah, this one was a wash, but it hasn't gotten picked up yet, so you know it's kind of getting dusty, but it's okay. This one, cake right here, buttery smooth cake. All right, so we got this pick 'em up trick right here. It's done getting lowered, and it's getting done chrome delete done. So yeah, tune in later. You'll never guess what we got. All right, look. It's another top half. Look at that, chrome delete. Don't you throw that ball. Trying to be all inconspicuous. Faison and Carlos doing some work here. I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something. They're searching. Like I'm searching for my dad. But anyway, so we're here on top of a Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, Denali thingy. So right here we got a roof. And let me tell you, gaskets. So this roof basically is a giant piece of wrap, all one piece. And basically, you see that moon roof right there? You tuck all around the gasket. You got to be extra careful not to cut it. It's very infuriating. Same goes just for the roof rails. You know, make sure you tuck under them and cut it. It's very challenging. But I'm gonna say it is. But anyway, the back is also a little interesting. The back is these humps kind of make it a little weird to tuck. So we usually just maybe like cut an incision here and there, just to get it fold onto each other properly. We should have fucking shotguns.
I paid the price to rock the ice. Tell me what you niggas know about sacrifice. Tell me what you niggas know about sacrifice.
It's Friday. We got my boy Mo right here.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? All right, so we got this lift, right, that we're delifting. I don't know why, but rough country. I'm gonna be helping on this one today, so. But yeah, so now I get to do something new, or not new. I guess I've done this before, but it's a nice change of scenery, you know. Oh my God, I'm under fire right now. The battlefield's hot. God, bro, stop! Ah! Let's get some Will ASMR here. Anyway, yeah, so we're... Oh! I got hit. Gotta go to the hospital soon, but I'm gonna finish this video. Yeah, so wheels off. Lug caps off. I got shot, I don't know what to say now.
Come. We got George doing the PPF and pure PPF. How's working with the material?
It was challenging at first. You gotta figure it out though.
Yeah, we had to look on Facebook for some steps. It's our first time doing this material. It was pretty tricky, but we got it down for the most part. Yeah.
So today's Thursday, another day at the shop. See, I get nervous. I can't do this.
Snipe him. take the shot.
Hellcat.
Look at that.
It's your boy Trent back at it again. Tired of this heat. Can't take it no more.
Get that camera on my face.